I was pleasantly surprised about hormone replacement therapy in perimenopausal women. Now, it's known in general for its alleviating the menopausal symptoms.
Hot flashes, some of those other issues that are so common.
Yes, weight gain and people can. I know there's a focus on staying healthy and exercising. But I was really interested in the long-term benefits of it, reducing Alzheimer's risk, reducing the risk of heart disease because estrogen increases nitric oxide levels that keep the blood vessel wall softer and more dilated and healthier.
Yeah.
And the bones are stronger. Like a lot of women die from hip fractures and bone fractures, and your bones are stronger. And in the investigative journalism world, the piece I'm most interested in, the stuff that I worked on from an investigative journalism standpoint, I found out that one doctor from the NIH told the world that hormone therapy causes breast cancer when his own data did not support it. And so I interviewed him and got him to basically admit to me on the record, I've recorded the Zoom call, that his own study did not show a statistically significant increase in breast cancer. So 50 million women have been scared or not offered hormone replacement therapy because of this dogma that it causes breast cancer, when he himself acknowledged to me it was not statistically significant. My mom was one of those women who never got hormone therapy because announcement was made in 2002. She was going through perimenopause around that time. Now, if you don't start it within 10 years of the onset of menopause, you don't get the long-term benefits. It's counterproductive. So that's why nobody recommends starting it after 10 years from the onset of menopause. But she fell and broke her hand, and the whole cascade of immobility, and then it leads to other health problems, right?
It's so common, yeah.
So that was a big thing for me to learn about the sort of hoodwinking of the public and the medical establishment alike by one NIH doctor.
Isn't it crazy how you could have somebody or one study and it could be false, and then, that affects the entire population for sometimes 5, 10, 20, 30, 50 years.
Yeah.
It's wild.
Yeah.
Hey, if you liked this, then watch my full episode right here.